Police say one woman is dead and at least 4 people were sent to the hospital from a 2-vehicle crash that happened at Dempster Road and East State Street earlier this morning. The Rockford Police Department was called to the scene before 9:30 a.m. They closed both lanes of East State Street while they investigated the crash. The road has since been reopened. First responders, as mentioned, say 4 people were sent to the hospital with varying degrees of injuries. Their conditions are unknown as of Saturday night. Police say a 33-year-old woman died from the injuries she sustained in the crash. Her name has not been released at this time. Officers are looking into what caused this crash. And a woman